What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to do a lockdown makeup. So this is the kind of makeup that you would usually wear inside. Now that we are in the third lockdown in England, sometimes you wake up needing to put on some makeup on your face to just hang out in the house or on the couch or doing nothing, because that is pretty much what we are doing now. So as long as you're staying safe indoors and protecting yourself and your family, then let's jump right into the video. Jesus, excuse my hair. This is definitely lockdown hair. I really need to get my hair done. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you had lovely holidays this year. And I know this is a bit of a cringe situation because they're not your usual kind of holidays, but we must be thankful that we're still healthy, well, and well, we're still here. So let's see the positive side of things. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like your kind of jazz, then stick around. I would kindly suggest to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also follow me on Instagram at Ammunition. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Just to tell you guys again, this is just a makeup look that I'm usually wearing during lockdown and during my time spent at home. Because we all know during lockdown we can't do anything in England. It's better to stay inside. Putting a bit of makeup on usually helps just a bit, if not a lot. So to start, I'm going to use just a little bit of foundation, just a light coverage one, just to even out my skin tone and kind of hide a bit. For this, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation and a damp beauty blender. So let me know in the comment section down below how you spent your New Year's Eve, because for us it was definitely a bit weird. We spent the New Year's Eve on the couch doing nothing. All glammed up and everything, of course, but still on the couch. Thin layer of light coverage foundation would do it. It's just so it can even out your skin and it looks just as good as a full face makeup, but less cakey. Let's be serious. Now I'm going to move on to set a little bit of my face, and for that I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr powder. Just going to take a powder brush and put just a little bit to set my face so I don't end up transferring my foundation into my pajamas or something like that. Anyway, this is everything that I would do to my face right now, and I feel like it does a great job to kind of even out all the skin tones and all the blemishes and everything else. So it's just a tad bit, but it goes a long way. So let's move on to brows. For brows, I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade number 5. That's pretty much it for the brows, and they're all done. That is such an easy pencil to use for the brows. I've only recently tried it out, and I have to say I actually really like it. So if you're looking for a really easy to use, good brow pencil, then this might be your thing. Next up are the eyes. I am going to put just a little bit of color in my crease, and for that I'm going to use the Nikkie Tutorials X BeautyBay collaboration palette, and I'm going to go in the shade Nila and put it on my crease. I'm always amazed how pigmented this palette is. This is just to give me a little tad of color on my eyes, especially if I'm having any calls or people to see during Skype meetings and things like that. I don't want to look like a zombie. It's definitely a weird period to live in, especially with this COVID situation. Everybody has no idea what they're doing, no idea what to expect from the future or even tomorrow even. However, it's just funny. It feels like the whole planet has been just turned upside down and just nobody knows what to do. Now I'm going to go into the shade Basic Thought, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Okay, eyes being done, I'm going to move on straight to mascara, and for that I'm going to use the Memi Lash to Lash Mascara. Okay, now that we have some mascara on, I'm going to put on a little bit of lip gloss just to finish the whole face and be done with it. For this, I'm going to use the mini Dior ADDICT Lip Maximizer. This actually is a really great discovery. It's one of those things that you get a sample of and definitely you'll get the full size afterwards. It's definitely one of those spicy kind of glosses, but it's not as intrusive as the Too Faced lip injection. Okay, now lips are done, and the very last thing that I usually do if I'm feeling like a bit down or I need a little bit of sparkle is just a tiny bit of highlighter. That's only for myself because I absolutely love highlighter in my life and in my makeup routine. So I'm going to use the ESTEE LAUDER Bronze Goddess. Just a tiny bit of it does the trick, just to make me feel better, and you can definitely see the shine of it. I absolutely love it. This is such a subtle highlighter and it's just a lovely one to use. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video and it was useful for you to get some alone time and just pamper yourself because you know you deserve it, especially during these crazy times. I can't even believe lockdown makeup is a trend right now. Let's hope 2021 will bring better news in our lives and it's going to be better than 2020. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!